This is Dave Reese of BlueRail Trains, and I'm very excited to show you our latest update, which is consisting. Now you can easily lash up your Easy App or BlueRail locos and run them as a consist. This update will be released first in iOS, then in Android. If you've ever tried to speed match locos in DCC, I'm sure you know what a pain that can be. As you see in this comparison chart, this method requires no programming track, can be done in minutes, requires no editing of CVs, and has added control over starts and stops. To set up a consist, bring your powered trains into position and enter the multi-train view. The lead loco will of course face forward, and the trailing locos can face either forward or backward. To add a train to a consist, select the small chain link icon on the lead loco. I'm going to put this loco in consist A. Now I'll go to my second loco and press the consist button, and also add this loco to consist A. If you have additional locos in the consist, you can add them in the same way. You'll notice the app has already set the direction for the second loco as forward or backward. It's also recognized the secondary loco as the rear loco in my consist. Now you just move the throttle on the lead loco to run the consist. It's that simple. You'll also notice the rear loco has a Make Lead button. This is great if you have a point-to-point lane. You've reached the end of the line, you can convert your rear loco into the lead loco for your trip back. Okay, how about speed matching? To speed match locos, you're going to want to space them at least 6 inches apart, uncoupled. Just like speed matching in DCC, you want to speed match your locos at 3 speeds: low, mid, and high. With the 2 locos consisted, press the speed match button. You'll now see 3 buttons: low, mid, and high. The throttles now have these little up and down arrow buttons. These allow you to tweak the speed of each loco to get your locos to match. When you're ready to speed match your locos at low speed, hit the L button. Your locos will take off at low speed. If you need to tweak the speed of a loco, just tap the up or down arrows. Once you're happy, press the M button and your locos will move to mid speed. Again, you can tweak the speed of each loco using the up and down arrows. Finally, you can move on to high speed by pressing the H button. When you're happy with your speed matching at all 3 speeds, press the Done button. Now your locos are speed matched. There's one more fine-tuning feature you might also want to take advantage of. Did you ever have a loco that always takes a couple of extra seconds to get rolling, no matter how you play with the tuning? These little buttons at the bottom allow you to set that loco to start a little earlier or a little later when consisted. There are similar buttons to compensate for a loco that stops quick or glides to a halt. So it's very easy to fine-tune your consist for smoother starts and stops. With these adjustments made, your locos are now speed matched and ready to consist. This is just another example of how direct control of your train with the touchscreen can turn a task that used to be a pain in the caboose like speed matching into something anyone can do. This is Dave Reese of BlueRail Trains saying, happy consisting.